Good day, everyone. Learn how to stop Facebook notifications in your Android phone. It is really very easy. You can turn on or turn off the notification of Facebook and Facebook Messenger or any other app. So you just need to press and hold on the Facebook app, press and hold for a few seconds, and you will find this option, the circle icon, and it will have a I in it. I is in Indiana. So we will click on that. And there you will find the very first option, notification. So just toggle off like this, and you have successfully turned off, disabled the notification for Facebook. You can do the same thing for Facebook Messenger. Press and hold for 2 seconds, then go click on this eye icon, the circle icon, and click on notification and toggle off. Even I have turned off for both the things. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.